Hi, and welcome to your quick sentence builder video lesson. In this series, we will do a short video on one of the most common English verbs. We will learn its meaning and then use it to build some sentences. We will make this a quick bite-sized lesson, so grab your notebook and let's get started. Today's word is put. Here's a picture of Santa putting presents. Here's put in many languages. Pause the video and find yours. Put means to place in a specific location. Put. Past progressive was putting. Past put. Present progressive putting. Present put. Future will put. Let's build a sentence. Santa was pudding. Today, we will use the past progressive tense. Let's build a sentence. Santa was putting. What? What was Santa putting? Santa was putting some presents. Oh, okay. Let's build a sentence. Santa was putting some presents. Where? Where was Santa putting presents? Under the tree. Let's build a sentence. Santa was putting some presents under the tree. Which tree? Santa was putting some presents under the Christmas tree. Oh, okay. Let's build a sentence. Santa was putting some presents under the Christmas tree. When? When was Santa putting the presents? Last night. Oh, okay. Let's build a sentence. Santa was putting some presents under the Christmas tree last night. Why? Why was Santa putting presents under the tree? For the good children. Oh, it's a Christmas time sentence. See how we built a sentence. This is why I want you all to think about the question words. Who, what, where, when, why, how, and which. These questions make the details that build great sentences. We add them where we can put more information. I hope you enjoyed this quick sentence builder video lesson. In about 3 minutes, you made a great sentence. Keep up the good work and have a great Christmas.